Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate 3 bean seeds experiment. The aim of this experiment is to prove that both air and water are necessary for the germination of seeds. Materials required are 3 seeds, a ruler, a tumbler and some water. Procedure: tie 3 seeds to a ruler or a scale. This scale is kept in a beaker which contains water. This setup is left in a warm place for a few days. Now how we have to arrange the 3 seeds of bean? The top seed is well above water. The middle one is just at the water level. The bottom one is completely immersed in water. This is the experimental setup. What we observe is the middle seed germinates. It gets both oxygen as well as water as it is not completely immersed in it. The top seed does not germinate at all. It gets only oxygen but no moisture or water. The bottom seed does not germinate or stops germinating after the emergence of a small radicle. It gets water but very little amount of oxygen which is dissolved in water. In day 1 we can see we have placed 3 similar seeds. In day 2, the first seed has started drying up due to the lack of moisture. In day 3, we can see that the process of germination has started. In day 4, we can see the emergence of whitish part known as the radicle. And in the final day, we can see that the seed, which is the middle one, has completely germinated with the evolution of a radicle, while the first and the last seed did not. Thus, we conclude that water is essential for germination, but the other requirement of oxygen is also important. Thank you.